Today we're going to show you how to remove stickers and sticker adhesive from your car windshield with Scraperite. We're using the general purpose orange blade and some Goo Gone. As you can see, it's really stuck on there. First, we'll scrape and pull as much as we can. You don't have to worry about scratching the glass with the Scraperite, so you can really go to town. After we get the majority of the sticker off, we'll spray a bit of Goo Gone. You don't have to use a lot, just enough that the area is covered. Then use the Scraperite to remove the rest of the sticker and the remaining residue. Depending on how long the sticker or decal has been on, it may take some extra scraping. Afterwards, just wipe clean with a wet paper towel and hose off your vehicle. Scraperite, predictable performance.